Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Channel. Tonight's dinner of the day is macaroni. This is cream of broccoli macaroni. You can see it has lots of nice vegetables. This is nothing more than one bag, 2 things of cream of broccoli soup. This is cream of broccoli soup, 2 bags of Walmart broccoli, and 1 pound of curly macaroni. All put together in a pot and let to boil, and then put into the oven for 350 degrees for 17 minutes. Then after that, you take it out, you stir it, you put a little bit of grated cheese on the top. Then you put it back in for another 17 minutes. That is how you cook baked broccoli, macaroni, and cheese. This is baked macaroni. This is baked macaroni and cheese with broccoli. Delicious.